Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Sindh High Court, Karachi, for any complaint against judicial officers of District Courts of Sindh for any grievance. Please contact the member inspection team 1 on the email mit1sshc@sindhighcourt.government.pk for any complaint against any government officer, department for any grievance. Please contact the member inspection team 2 on the email mit2shc@sindhighcourt.government.pk for any complaint against any government office, department for any grievance. Please contact the additional member inspection team 2 on the email addition ADDL MIT2 at the rate shc.government.pk for any opinion and criticism related to automation in the judiciary of Sindh, the website of this court, or any other web-based applications. Please contact the director IT on the email director DIRECTORIT @sindhighcourt.government.pk.